Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to see saved TikTok videos. So to do that, head over to your TikTok application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon. And then here you will find the saved videos of yours. These are the saved posts that I have done. And here you'll find the collection, sound effects, and so on. So the saved videos or posts will be in here. You can find them. Suppose if I go to my feed, suppose I save it, and if I just go to this page, here you can see the saved video. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.